Setting up your Reddit credentials in Google Colab isn't one of the sexiest topics, but it's a bit of a red tape that you'll need to take care of in order for us to do cool stuff with it. It's possible I've asked you to watch this video from one of my more recent ones, so I don't have to repeat this every single time. To get started, you'll need a Reddit account, of course. You don't need your main one for this, and I actually recommend you create a new one. So then navigate to the settings page and then to privacy here. Then head over to advanced and then to third-party app authorizations, and let's open that. All right, so if this is the first time I ask you, are you a developer? So let's create an app. And then let's name something. Well, we can just call it like stuff. That's fine. And script. I just say description, just testing. About URL, HTTP, localhost 8000. Actually, we can just put that in the redirect URI here. And then I'm not a robot. So let's create this app. Okay, so now you have this information here that we're going to need to copy over to Google Colab. I've already actually created a Google Colab credentials for my own account, but I'll just follow along here. So open up a Google Colab notebook. Open up this key here, and this will probably be blank for you. So put in these five keys and their respective values. I've hidden mine because I'm using, they're not supposed to be used by other people. So for Reddit app, you're gonna want to put the name of the application you created, so that's stuff right here, and you paste it there. For Reddit client ID, you would look at this one here. This is your client ID. You copy that and you paste it here. Make sure you spell everything correctly here. You don't have any extra spaces in there. Reddit client secret, you copy the secret here and you paste it here, and you make sure you name it correctly. Well, the names you've got already in the code right here. Reddit password is the password you use to log in with. Reddit username is your username. If you created an account using Google or one of the automatic sign-in services where you didn't have to enter a password, you may need to go and reset your password here to get a new one, and you'll be able to have a password. Obviously, remember that password and put it in here. Once you have them all enabled, once you have them all posted in, make sure you enable all of these. I think if you don't do that, it's just going to ask you to it'll automatically pop up something asking you to do that. And then you just run this notebook. You may need to install crawl, which is the Python library for accessing the Reddit API. And then you would need to basically get all that information and set up your Reddit client here. And then I just have a test function. We're not doing anything cool here yet. We're just going to do that in my future videos. But here, we're just going to test it out and see the first comment of a particular Redditor. So here, I'm just testing it out to see the latest comment from Bill Gates. This is Bill Gates. So just run this. If you have everything set up correctly, this will run. If not, then you need to go back and make sure you've put in your keys correctly. So that's it for this video. Please come back and we'll do some cool things with the Reddit API in my future videos. Thank you, and please subscribe. Have a nice day.